My dear friends, welcome to this Pyramid Spiritual Social Movement. Welcome to the Pyramid Valley, and welcome again to this conference of spiritual scientists, where we understand more and more of spiritual science from each and every person. What exactly is spiritual science? We are not the bodies, we are the souls, and body is the product of the soul. So, the body depends for its health on the soul's health. The health of the body is the fruit, and the health of the soul is the root. So, you have to have the health of the soul. The soul, the spirituality is the base, and the physicality, the body's health, that is the take care of the root system. The fruit system takes care of itself. You cut the root system, what happens? The whole tree dies. Every man is living as if he is cut off from the roots. There is no soul element. He is thinking in terms of body and mind. मैं हिंदू हूँ, मैं मुस्लिम हूँ, माइंड है. मैं 20 साल का हूँ, 30 साल का, my bones and muscles, I am this kidneys and kidney stones. You have a body, you are not the body. You may be born in a Hindu background, you may be born in Russia. You are not Russian, you are not a Hindu. There is nothing like Hindu, there is nothing like Russian, there is nothing like Indian. What is the stupid Indian? Stupid Russian? Who is the stupid Hindu? If anybody considers himself as a Hindu, he is a stupid fellow. हिंदू धर्म का उद्धार हो, धर्म का उद्धार हो, हिंदू धर्म का नहीं, धर्म का उद्धार हो. So, the moment you say I'm Indian, I'm Russian, I'm a Hindu, I'm Muslim, you are cranky. You gone out of your head, you are nuts. Totally nuts. So, spiritual science means coming back to your sanity. No more nuts. If somebody calls himself a Hindu here, he'll be laughed at. It's a mental case. And I can show you the way how you can treat your mind. Close your eyes and observe your breathing. And sit down. Don't get up again until the next morning. Sit this morning, get up next morning. Sit tonight, get up next night. That is meditation. दूध ना रहेगी, दूध दही बन जाएगी. Sit 24 hours, closing your eyes and observing your breathing. दूध दही बन गई. ध्यान के पूर्व आप सभी लोग दूध हैं, ध्यान के पश्चात सभी लोग दही हैं. और एक दही में दूसरा दही में कोई फर्क अंतर नहीं है. हिंदू दूध हो, रशियन दूध हो, मुस्लिम दूध हो, क्रिश्चियन दूध हो, दूध तो दूध है, दही तो दही है. If your body identification, you are a दूध, milk. If you got soul identification, you are dahi. That's all. When you are दूध, you create karma. When you are dahi, you dissolve karma. आप कर्मातीत हो जाते हैं. You can't create karma when you are dahi, but you keep on creating karma when you are doodh. Having created karma, you are going to reap the karma, go through the whole cycle. Supposing I hit this man from Punjab for whatever reasons, I can't go free. Police will come and catch me. I have to go through the whole cycle until everything is resolved. Until I go to the jail, stay there for 2 years, then come back. Then the cycle is over. Whatever I have initiated by hitting him, that is it. As long as you are not in meditation, as long as you are not understanding your soul word, you are always creating karma. Fresh karma. Every day. With every word you create karma. With every thought you create karma. And you are going to complete the cycle again. When you become dahi, you don't create karma. First time you become dahi, then what happens? You are not creating any karma, but you got to dissolve all your karma. It takes certain time, amount of time for you to dissolve all the past karma. Then when all the past karmas are dissolved, then आप really कर्मातीत हैं. Then you are free. You have a free passport, free visa to all the worlds, all the galaxies. If you are still in karma cycle, you don't have free passport. You don't have free visa to any galaxy. You have to keep coming to the earth again, which is the jail, because you created the karma. The earth is not a jail. Earth is a jail only for those people who create karma. For karma-atit people, earth is a beautiful journey place. I have been to several jails, taught meditation. For me, jail is not a jail. For me, jail is a visiting place. I've been to. But if you do karma and go to jail, you are chained there. I'm not chained in any jail. I'm not chained in this body. I'm not chained in this earth. I'm not chained to samsara. I have a samsara. I have a body. I move. I go into jail, come back. I teach in the jail, come back. I have visited more number of jails than any criminal has done. So you keep coming here to the earth plane as a visitor. कर्म बंधन से नहीं हम आएंगे इधर, कर्मातीत होकर हम आएंगे. बार बार आएंगे, 1000 बार आएंगे, इसमें दिक्कत क्या? अरे बाबा, बात यही है स्पिरिचुअल साइंस में, आप कर्मातीत बने. पहला बात है, आज से कर्म करना छोड़ दीजिए. कैसे? यूं ही छोड़ देंगे क्या? कोई छोड़ने की बात है क्या? You have to get rid of your mind in your meditation. Mind is the doer of the karma, not the body. My hand is not lifting by itself. My mind is saying, hey, you lift your hand. Mind is the creator of this karma. So your act of coming here, doing all this is all your born out of your mind. There was a desire in your mind, that is the part that manifested as karma. And you again get the result of it, because you get a lot of claps from us. That is the results from you, from us to you. You get the results. जैसे कर्म वैसे कर्म फल. That is spiritual science. जैसे कर्म वैसे कर्म फल. मुझे कैंसर आया, ऐसा कर्म फल क्यों मिला? वैसा कर्म किए हैं, या इस जन्म या पिछले जन्म. कभी न कभी, अरे बिन बादल बरसात नहीं होगी, 2 हाथ नहीं मिलेंगे तो ध्वनि नहीं होगी. अरे मन के सहारा ना होते हुए कर्म का संभव नहीं है. मन ही कर्म को करता. So you can't control your mind to have right karmas. You have to rectify your mind. That happens through meditation. So what is spiritual science? To understand law of karma is spiritual science. Law of cause and effect. That is spiritual science. मुझे ऐसा ही क्यों हुआ? भगवान ने मुझे ऐसा क्यों दिया है? कोई भगवान देता नहीं, तेरे कर्म आपको ऐसे बना. Oh God, save me. Your karmas have to save you. Oh God, look at me. Your karmas have to look at you. Before enlightenment, all my actions are my karma. But after enlightenment, all my actions are my dharma. Come out of the karmic cycle and enter the dharmic cycle. Karma is doodh, dharma is dahi. In between doodh and dahi is sans. You cross from the doodhhood to the dahihood through the breathhood.
ಹಲೋ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರಲಿರುವ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ.